Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in the beautiful state of Utah in Moab. We just found this amazing camp spot.
I know where that road goes.
Easily one of my favorite spots. I think I've only been here for 5 minutes. All right guys, I don't know about you, but I am hungry. So let's make some food. Ta-da! So our camp set up, we already got our blankets and our pillows up there, and there's lights in there as well. We just have to plug them into a battery, and that's all I got to do. So setting up camp is super simple. I think we're just gonna chill at camp. We might go on a walk to the end of the road here, since I'm not feeling like driving it. Good boy, good boy. Let go. Yes, good boy. Ready? Set. What you doing? Ready? Set. Set. Fetch. Who's a good boy? Let go. Let go. This is true solitude. We haven't seen anyone else out here since we got here. There were some dirt bikers that came by, but they're leaving right as we got here, but no one's been out since, so pretty amazing to just be out here all alone, super remote with crazy views. But yeah, now I think we are going to build a fire and have some dinner. Probably fly my drone a little bit more. Look at that. My shadow's taller than me. Okay, build fire now. So tonight for dinner, we thought it would be a good idea if we had some free-range lamb and grilled it over the fire. So that's what we're gonna be doing tonight for dinner. Oh, also, forgot to mention, sparkling water, Mountain Valley, only the best. We only do the best here. We had free range lamb on sale at Sprouts. And look what we got.
It's like tiny little T-bones.
They're so small. I don't think I've ever had lamb loin before, so this is new to me. It looks so good. Lamb loin looks so freaking good. It's like a lamb ribeye. You guys ever had lamb? Do you like lamb? Salt. Guys, only use Redmond real salt. And those are going on the fire over there. Boom.
Sizzle.
Sizzle. Oh my goodness.
This one is like...
That looks so good. All right, I ordered a bunch of lamb loin chops. Thank you. Thank you. Those look so delicious. How do they smell?
like lamb.
Oh no, that's so dope. Okay, we gotta eat this before it gets cold. All right, guys, here goes. Trying the lamb loin. Ooh, it's so soft.
That one's good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. That's really good.
This side. So it's like a T-bone. On one side is a filet mignon, and the other is a New York. But they're tiny.
I don't know if it counts because this is my first time having it and I had it over a fire. I know things are like 10 times better over a fire, so don't know if that counts. I just got done flying my drone and it is so nice out, and I forgot my battery chargers at home, so pretty bummed about that. But I got a bunch of cool shots that I think you'll like, and I'm pretty stoked about those, so roll those next. Good morning. I've probably got bed beard, but it is absolutely gorgeous out here right now. You want to come outside? Good morning. Good morning. Just picked up the GoPro. I did my first night lapse. I've never done one of those with this before. And hopefully it turned out. Let's make some coffee. Hey, careful! Whoa, dude. Almost lost our pot. You just gave away the secret, everybody. Everyone. There's a rock there. What's up, babe? We'll have to see how this one is because I only did one bloom. Amazing. It's on a lot better now.